Today is an honor to come to you on behalf of 42,000 Haitian people that have given me a mission, a mandate to talk to you today. I'm talking to mainstream America. Whatever nationality you are, today this message is for you. As you know, Haiti is facing its worst crisis ever before. Gang violences have kept people in their home and people are afraid. There are massive kidnapping. I'm here today to speak to the compassionate American. Those of you first-time immigrants that came to this country that know the value of what America has to offer. Therefore, I have no choice but to reach out to you, those compassionate Americans who will lend a helping hand in return. I'm not asking you for money. I'm not asking you to raise money. And I'm not asking you to give me money. All I'm asking, if you could sponsor somebody, lend a helping hand, just sponsor them, just vouch for them. That's it. Because many of them have family members here already in the United States that can receive them, that have a place for them, that can help them find a job, that can help them integrate in the society. Please, I beg of you, will you please give a helping hand? I felt obligated to come to you to ask for your help. Please, will you please become a sponsor? Just log on admiralcorp.com. Please, those 42,000 people ask me for help. My promise to them is I will do my best to help them find a sponsor. And that's why I'm here today. Can you please help them? Thank you.